Sprinkle. Nation.
Woo! That's a huge fish. What the? That might be a 5-pounder right there. Just hopping it on the bottom.
Oh. Please keep fishing out there.
Hey, sir.
Okay.
Let's get ourselves a little challenge going on. Frick 'em up nation, we have made it to this little beautiful juicy pond. I'm sure y'all remember this in past videos. We are doing a little challenge today, man. This is gonna be something different. I have not seen this on YouTube. Now, if you have seen people do this, let me know, man. Put a link down in the comments and I will watch it and see what they do differently. I'm going straight at it, man. I don't know any knowledge about this. I don't know if this is going to work, but I have a couple setups that it might work. It might happen, y'all. So we're gonna see. Let me tell y'all what this little challenge is we got going on today. I think we're gonna catch some, man. I think it is going to go really good, man. Let's get straight into it. The bait we're gonna be using today, if I can open it, is some night crawlers, man. We're gonna be bass fishing with real live worms. Let me explain real quick. Right here, we got a little wacky rig set up. I got a small little bullet split shot weight. If y'all can see that, I mean, it's literally what I just said. It just adds a little bit more weight so it can drop down faster instead of wiggling its way down. It's got some more weight to push it down there fast. And then the next setup we only got these two, but this is a Texas rig setup. We got this on a bait caster, and this is a EWG hook. Then we got a little bullet weight on there. No weight stopper on there either, so it's gonna have a lot of action when I rig it up. A live worm on a Texas rig setup. Let's do it, man. I'm ready for this. Let's get to it. We're gonna use this wacky rig first. I guess I can show y'all how I'm about to rig this too. So I'm gonna do like the same thing you usually do with like a regular wacky worm. Just thread it through there, kind of like that. Regular wacky style. Then I'm just gonna drop it down there and let the worm do his thing. Got this on a bass setup, if y'all can see. There we go. Pretty deep at this little neighborhood pond too, man. I feel like stuff is about to go down with this. I've never seen it before. Never seen it done. So this is pretty cool, man. A little different challenge. Oh, we had a bite already. Took about all my worm. Dang, dude. I was messing with the drag, wasn't even paying attention. Probably a gill dog. Oh, that was something that had some weight to it, dude. We gotta have something take this worm before we can put another one on, so I'm waiting for like a bluegill or something. Oh yeah, yeah. Got him. Dude, that's a perky gilly. Skinny, long guy. On that wacky setup though, y'all. I knew that I was gonna catch some bluegill. I just had that feeling, man. Oh, and it took my worm. I'm waiting for that largie, dude. I'm waiting for a largie to pick it up. That is a goal, man. Oh, yep, here we go, taking off. Largie. Let's go, dude. Let's go. We were just talking about it. Yes, man. Got a largie. He freaking engulfed that thing. We gotta help him as fast as possible. Got it. Got the hook. He's still alive too. We gotta get him back though. Freaking sick. We got what we wanted, dude. He's good. He's good. Yes. Oh, that's amazing. We done caught the largie we wanted to catch. I'm honestly so thrilled right now. So thrilled. Dang, there's a whole bunch of bubbles right here. Oh. Got him. It's a bluegill. I think nature's turning on us. I think nature is turning on. Which is never a bad thing. Well, we didn't lose our worm, folks. So I guess we gotta catch another gilly. Two gillies and one largie so far, man. Can we hit a trifecta and catch a catfish? I'll cry on camera if I can get the trifecta, dude. Yep. Bluegill. Right in the eye, sir. What are you trying to do? Thanks for splashing me. Alright, another large one on there. I guess we're just gonna yank it out there. Yank it out deep, man. Might as well. I mean, if we throw it in the right fish's face, we could catch a big one, dude. We could catch a big one. The real worm challenge. Fishing with real worms for bass. That's a big one. That's a freaking dandy, dude. Oh my god, that is a freaking big bass. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude, that's a tank. Biggest fish I've seen caught out of here, dude. Come here, come here, come here. Come here, come here. Oh my god. No way, bro. No freaking way. No freaking way did I just catch that fish. What is happening right now? Look at that. Oh my god. Oh my lord, dude. Okay, let's get some pictures and some views of him. That is a monster, y'all. Easy 4 pounds. Could be even like a 4.5 pounder, dude. Check out that monster. Dude. That honestly could be the biggest fish I've ever caught. I don't know, man. That is such a tank, dude. That is freaking monsters on a live worm, wacky rig style. Y'all have got to try it, man. Yes, yes. The frame on Big Bertha right there, man. Whoa, sir. Yes, indeed. That's a stud, dude. we have accomplished everything we freaking needed to today, man. Oh my gosh. Frick 'em up, nation. Easy 4 to 4.5 pound largemouth bass. On the live freaking worms, dude. On the live worms, right here. Well, we're using a bit bigger ones like that one. Dude, I thought it was like a catfish at first, the way it was freaking tugging. I don't even know what to do right now. I'm speechless. I'm trying to like calmly collect myself. Daggone biggin'. Let's keep going. I'd beg to differ if you didn't want to buy worms and go try them out. Wow, dude. How nuts. I did not know there was that big a bass in here, y'all. I swear, I've never caught that big of a bass in here in my life. I come with some live worms and wacky rig it and freaking smack a daggum 4-pounder. Bluegill. That was on the full worm too, man. He wasn't messing around. This wind ain't playing, man. This wind is not joking around with nobody. PO'd. Just like that largie, man. Oh, another largie. Definitely not as big. We will take him all day though. Yep. Yes, indeed. He didn't swallow it either, thank the Lord. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Gotta love that. Three largies, dude. 2 about average size and 1 the size of King Kong. Which honestly still makes me just I'm freaked out about that right now, dude. Weirdest thing ever. Is that another one? It is. What is happening? I got in the school of them. Dude, that hook is getting them too, man. They're not getting off of that hook. This is a little octopus hook. I mean, perfect for wacky rigging. Oh, we were gonna retry that. That was terrible. I don't even know what went through my head right there. Yeah. Just broke me off. We're at 4 largies and 3 bluegill? 3 or 4 bluegill, I'm not sure. Regardless of the number of fish we have, slaying them, dude. We're getting right back here where I keep losing these dang fish. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Got him. Bluegill, man. On a whole freaking worm. What are you doing, sir? Get out of here. Get out of here. Looks like another bluegill bite. And this wind is freaking chucking now. Oh. Oh, what are you? Oh, another largie. He's just mad. Yeah, that's a bit bigger than average too, man. Dude, that's the one. Dude, the hook's in its mouth, man. The hook's in its mouth. That's the one I broke off. I don't know if y'all can see that in there, but the hook is like right around in here. Oh, It wasn't even hooked, dude. That is insane. Saving largies. Guess there's only one largie to be dealt with. Maybe. I don't know. No, it wasn't. It wasn't the only largie. Got him. Not sure when I'm gonna stop, but it ain't gonna be anytime soon if we keep catching fish like this, man. Man, I thought I would have caught. Yeah, that's a bit bigger too, man. How fun. How fun. Yeah, that's a good size one, dude. You swallow the hook. Yeah, he did. I want to see if I can show y'all this. Straight through the gill plate. Find where that hook is. And twist it out of them until it pops out. Then you should be good. Yeah, we gotta get him back. He's bleeding a lot. Please stay alive, sir. Work that out for me. Yeah, he did take it. What a punk. Oh yeah. Okay. Took my worm. Hey, you know you're having a good day of catching fish when your hand starts cramping, dude. Oh yeah. Yep. What are you doing? Oh yeah, dude. I don't know, we could be out now. We are. Okay. Frick 'em up, nation. If you are a little bit confused by the end right there, we ran out of worms. So, that was just like the end of the challenge, the end of the video. Surprisingly, there wasn't that much bluegills taking my bait, man. I would have really thought that they'd have been taking the bait mostly, but if they bit, you know, I was catching them. So that was pretty awesome. I feel like the largies were so aggressive that they were kind of like probably pushing the bluegill away so they can get that worm, and they took it, set the hook. I don't know really what's going on and what happened there, but freaking slayed them. And that is such a deadly tactic, dude. That is nuts, man. That's the first time I've ever tried that anywhere. And you saw the freaking results, man. We caught a daggum dandelion. Big bass. Another thing that was completely unorthodox, like completely crazy, was that like I was almost predicting the stuff that was happening. If you go back into the video and listen to what I say before I catch some of the fish, it's weird, dude. It's like it's literally foreshadowing. That's what it is. It's foreshadowing, and the foreshadowing worked almost every time I did it. That is the thing to do, you know, if you're having like a problem using bass lures and it's not really working with the bass lures, don't be afraid to go with live bait, man. Like bluegill, worms, even crawfish. If you can find crawfish, perfect live bait users, man. Y'all know what to do. Leave that like if you enjoyed this challenge video, man. There's more challenge videos to come. Leave that like so I know that you like the challenge videos. and more will start flooding through. Comment if you have any questions. I did not get in that much detail on the poles, the line I had, where I exactly got the worms, stuff like that. Last but not least, hit that big red subscribe button for me. That lets me know that you love my content, and that lets me know that I have some people pushing me to keep going. You know what I'm saying? We're at 125, which is really, really awesome, man. I remember the days when we were at 50 and we were just so excited when we hit that 50 mark. Now we're at 125. Super cool. I cannot thank y'all enough, and I appreciate all the love. All I really got to say, love y'all so much. Please keep fishing out there.